Want to delete your Zara account? Let's walk through the process. First, log into your Zara account on the website or app. Now tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, go to Settings or Profile. Then you can find the Delete Account option here. Tap on it. You will be asked to confirm that you want to permanently remove your account. Before you proceed, make sure you have downloaded any previous order history or saved data, because this action can't be undone. If you can't find the delete option, you can always contact Zara customer support through email or live chat requesting the deletion of your account. Don't forget to cancel any subscriptions or pending orders before deleting your account. Have you ever deleted an online account? Let us know why in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.